Hello you guys, this is Wealth Robot here again, coming at you with another video. And in this particular video I want to talk about how you can create videos, or rather edit videos, promo ads and YouTube intros, how you can come in and do these sorts of things and make money off of you guys. So this particular one right here is called FlixPress.com. So you can come here to FlixPress.com and register and sign up and learn how to make YouTube intros, promo ads, animated slideshows, video announcements, and everything like that. So you can come to this particular website and just scroll around and just see how everything look, and if it's the right feel for you. Business promos, gaming intros, pro intros, ads. You can do all that stuff like that up here. Okay. Now the next one I'm going to show you is called Powtoon. You can do the same thing here. Learn how to edit videos, upload videos, templates. They give you all sorts of things. Now you might be saying to yourself, I don't know how to edit videos. I don't know how to do YouTube videos. I don't know how to do ads. I don't know how to do commercial real estate, things like that. Guys, they're gonna show you everything once you sign up to these particular platforms that I show you. Okay, they're gonna provide everything, because I'm gonna show you, once you learn these skills in whatever website you choose to go with, what you can do to make money with the skill that you have just learned. Okay, once you sign up with all of these, if you decide to do it. Okay, the next one I got for you is a site called Lumen 5. Now this particular one, this one is for, I believe it's for, this is for content creation videos, basically like how to make videos on someone's blog or website, like they're showing you right here. So this is what I think they mainly focus on mostly, but they probably do other ads and stuff like that, and other ways on how you can do the videos and stuff like that, or any other way like YouTube and Instagram and Facebook or what have you. But I know this particular one is pointed more towards that. Okay, the next one is Promo.com. Now Promo.com, as you can see right here, it does the same thing. Our partners, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Getty Images, these major companies is using this particular platform, where you can go and learn how to do these sorts of things, or you could just go here to basically promote what you've already done in maybe the first 3 websites that I showed you earlier. Now, this is one of the places where I think you can promote your skills, or you can just come here and just make the videos and just edit them like they're showing you right here. Okay, you guys, see, they're showing you right here what you can do. Swipe up, I believe that's for IG, I believe, Instagram, all types of things. You got templates and stuff. Now you may be asking yourself, okay, what do I do once I sign up with any one of these programs and learn this particular skill? How am I going to make money with this? Okay, I'm going to show you. You can go to websites like Fiverr.com. Okay, set up your profile, put in your description, a real good description of what do you offer and your price, right? So once you do that, you come up here and load it up. This one, $40. Okay, drop shipping ads. This what this person specializes. This person specializes in video advertising for a business or a website. $50. And this one right here, Pro Verified. That's cheap. She is charging $1,600. And some are even charging higher than that, you guys. Okay? Some are even charging higher than that. Like this particular one right here, Pro Verified, $7,200. Okay, you guys? Okay? This is what you can do once you learn those skills that I showed you with those previous websites. And it doesn't take a whole lot of money. Just go back and just check out the websites. Some have different prices. Some of them have $50. Some may be $60. Some can get all the way upwards up to $100, and maybe even more. Okay, so the next one you can place your profile at is this one, you guys. Upwork.com. Okay, set up your profile, put in a good description. Okay, put in what you can do, list it here, just put it up there. She charges $35 an hour, he charges $40 an hour. Okay, let's scroll down to the next one, he charges $85 an hour. Okay, so it just depends on what you do once you get that first client. The key to the Upwork and Fiverr.com, these two particular websites here, is once you get your client, you have to show top quality stuff. Okay, your stuff must be top quality in order to get the rankings in these two websites. Because the more top quality that you provide, the more these two websites is going to rank you, it's going to boost you up. Okay, and that's what you want, so you can make, or better yet, you can charge even more money. Okay, so that's what it's all about. It's all about creating quality products. Okay, you can't, I don't want y'all to go and thinking that, I'm just gonna make some just some messed up stuff. You just throwing stuff here and throwing stuff there, and it doesn't look good, and it don't look good, and people won't gravitate towards you. You have to put the work in order to get to these type of numbers right here, like this one, 7,200. It's another one right here. Let me scroll down to this one. This one right here, Pro Verified, $2,000. Okay, you guys. So that's it for this particular video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one.